Hello everyone, today I am at a automotive car event where manufacturers bring down all their latest cars for people like us to test drive, and today I will be testing out the new 2021 DS7. Right, let's do a quick walk around the car, and you know what? I actually really like the styling on this car. When you start this car up, the headlights do a little dance, a bit like a Bentley. Massive front grills for the engine, even though does it really need extra cooling because it's a hybrid? I don't think it does. Coming around the side, you've got some huge diamond cut alloy wheels. Let's have a look at the size. You are running 235, 45, 20-inch alloys. That's huge on a DS7. From the side, well, from the side profile, it looks a bit like a Q5. And also at the top here, you've got these two little, what are they called? Bulges. I'm not too sure if that is for extra headroom in the rear. Is it? No, it's not. Okay, we'll forget that, it's just styling. Coming around the back, it does look pretty cool. Look at these tail lights, look how cool they are. It says Crossback in the middle on the chrome piece, although if it was blacked out, it would look just a little bit better. But the main piece are these exhausts. They've got this mesh piece going around. I'm not too sure what they are, but chrome tips. Does look pretty fascinating, very different. This car, when I saw it on the road, I was quite interested by it because you never see a car like this, and it's weirdly well designed. Anyway, let's jump into the interior, see what it's like. It's a tech fest in there. Check this out. When I enter, smells lovely. When I turn on the car, check this out. The clock turns on a bit like a Bentley. In fact, I actually think this is quite a Bentley inspired interior. Material wise, it's pretty good. Cheap plastic up here. Massive infotainment system, huge dials are got this diamond, very angular design to them, which I bizarrely like, and plenty of storage, LED lighting as well in the storage compartments. Is there a big glove box? Let's have a look. No, what's this piece here that's interfering with that? I'm not too sure. The rear view mirror, it's like got this frameless design to it as well. Pretty cool, all angular. One other thing I forgot to mention is you get a digital screen that shows you've got your speed and then a picture of the car, but you can see the internals, where the motor is, where the engine is, transmission, and how much charge, etc. you're using. And also these rather nice flappy paddles. Yeah, great to the touch. Let's see if we can find anything quirky in the infotainment system. It makes a bunch of random noises though, I tell you. Right, we could go into the car settings, parking sensors, automatic headlight dipping. No, nobody really cares about that. Let's go back into the main home screen. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. The animations are pretty cool as well that it gives you. In the rear seats, it's very comfortable. There's a lot of space. I could go sleep in it very easily. And also it's got the DS logo embossed on the headrest here, stitched, or well, it's got a little 3D effect going on, which also is pretty cool. A lot of cool things about this car, but anyway, I think it's time we go for a drive. Alright guys, now let's go for a drive in the DS7, and check this out. When I'm reversing, it's got does a little top view of the ground underneath. Well, it has to scan it first and then you see all around you, which is super cool, although the cameras aren't that clear, unfortunately. Let me go. It's gone full EV mode. Don't like it when it does that. It's weirdly creepy. Now let's reverse. Now this is a good way to test out its visibility. The wing mirrors do also dip just to aid that, well, just to aid maneuverability. Yeah, there's not much visibility out the back. There's huge pillars. The C pillars are huge. Come on, a little bit more. Right, let's go for a drive. Very interesting car. I do like this car. In fact, I will actually recommend this car to people because of how quirky and different it is to you know, regular cars like the Audi Q5 and Mercedes GLE, stuff like that. Now, there are a few things I don't like. For example, the infotainment system. These buttons, or these haptic feedback buttons that are supposed to be haptic feedback, have no sensitivity, so when you press them you don't even know you're pressing them. So it does become a bit of a ball ache trying to operate this. I didn't know I was going to be able to get the chance to drive this, but here we are. Flat bottom steering wheel. You know what, it feels like a prior generation Peugeot 308. Right, let's test out the acceleration. Ready? Drop it down to second gear. Okay, that's all right. Where's the rev gauge? I have no idea. Need to pop this steering. Is there any adjustability in the steering wheel? Oh, there's cruise control, which is good. Handling. It's not that great. I mean, it is a bit of... It's okay, actually. I'm being too harsh. It's okay. Bit of roll, but on the whole, there's not that much. It's not that excessive. The gear selector, it's not the best. Peugeot use this as well, and I'm not a huge fan of it. It's weird to operate. Am I the only one that thinks that? The indicator noise as well sounds pretty plush. It sounds premium. I think if you want a Bentley on a budget, this is probably as close as you're gonna get. Now there is blind spot monitoring. A lot of cars nowadays have that tech. Let's turn right here. Ivy down lane. Okay, it picked up. It picks up, interestingly. Okay, it's alright actually. Does pick up with the corners. What's it like? Yeah, not that much roll, like I said before. I do weirdly like this car. I'm impressed. I'm actually really impressed. I think a panoramic roof would set this car off. Interior design, near perfect. Exterior design, near perfect as well. DS have really, really nailed this. Oh, the paddles are fixed as well. Now I bet that's going to cause a lot of arguments in the comment section down below. Is it really convenient having the paddles fixed? Who's going to use them anyway in this car, to be honest? No one. Oh, drive modes. Of course, we haven't gone through that. So four-wheel drive, it's four-wheel drive. Sport, hybrid, comfort, electric. Let's go for sport, of course. Oh, when the dials turn red. Okay, that was very quick. Let's not do that again. That was very quick. And then if we go to hybrid mode, back to blue. Then comfort. I haven't tested it out in sport mode actually. What's the throttle response? A little bit more there. Whoa, kick down is more aggressive. Steering has lightened up a little bit, I think. Or has it? No, I'll take that back actually. I don't agree with that. A little pull. It's surprisingly quick. Right, let's go down to electric. Let's see what that's like. What does it say? Electric mode not available at the moment. Battery charge too low. Oh, there's no battery left. 0 miles on the battery. What's the battery range then? It must not be high at all if it's been rinsed already. That's a shame. Oh well. Now window switches down in the center console. I find that quite weird. Not used to that. It's a bit like what you find in a Testarossa or something like that, a Ferrari. And we are definitely not in any type of Ferrari at all, so. Materials though, yeah, quite nice. Quite nice, apart from these materials up here. Although they are squidgy. Very nice interior. And I don't think this car is that expensive either. Lots of room in the rear seats, lots of room in the boot. What else do you want? Anyway, thank you guys for watching. That's all I have. Sorry it's a short video, but please do the usual stuff, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll catch you in my next video, so see you guys soon.